Google Chrome's slow download speed on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can solve the slow download speed of Google Chrome, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes if you're having slow download and internet connection, sometimes the problem could just be your Wi-Fi. So you want to check whether or not your internet is working just fine and whether if you're trying to download from mobile, check if your network is working fine from other devices. Now, sometimes the issue could also be with the Chrome browser. I'm not completely denying the fact. So open up your Chrome browser. We will do a couple of things to hopefully fix it. Click the three dots option from the top right, then simply go to the option here known as settings. Then from here, you simply want to go to the option called privacy and security. Then click on clear browsing data. Now here you can select all time and select all these options. Then click on the clear data option. Now, another reason why this could happen is sometimes it's not either with your Chrome or your internet, but the server or the website that you're trying to download from. For example, if you're trying to download files from a certain website whose server are slow, then in that case, it will not pull up the maximum download speed. So that's the reason why it usually happens. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.